Hurricane season is heating up with two areas of disturbed weather catching forecasters' attention. The National Hurricane Center reports a small low-pressure system 250 miles east of the northernmost Bahamian Islands, with a 30% chance of developing into a tropical cyclone as it approaches Florida or Georgia by Friday. Another system is expected to form near the Yucatan Peninsula on Friday, with conditions favoring gradual development into a tropical depression over the weekend. The NHC will keep monitoring both systems. We'll keep you updated. Stay tuned.